Make a login system for your website, PHP and MySQL. Use these tips to create a website login. This is a simple website login system that has been very reliable and secure for me. I use it myself on my websites, when a simple system is needed. If you know a little MySQL and PHP, it is very easy to use. Here's how to create a website login system using PHP and MySQL. First, you will need to have MySQL installed on your computer. I have XAMPP installed and I use PHP MyAdmin for accessing my databases. They are free for download, just search for them online. You also need to create a database in your MySQL. And as you proceed, remember that Linux server file names are always case sensitive. LOGIN.PHP is not equal to LOGIN.PHP like it would be on Windows servers. Run this SQL command in your MySQL database. You must have one create table users, ID int 3, not null auto underscore increment, login varchar 8, default null, password varchar 8, default null, primary key, ID, type equals MyISAM auto underscore increment equals 3. This will create the table that will record the usernames and passwords. Then, create the login.php file. This page will contain the form that will submit the user's data. Session underscore name, MyLogin, session underscore start, session underscore destroy, if $_ login equals failed, print $_ get cause, login, password. Now, create the log.php. This is the file that performs the action of the form. Session underscore name, MyLogin, session underscore start, if $_ get action equals login, $conn equals MySQL underscore connect, localhost, user, password, / your MySQL connection data $db equals MySQL underscore select underscore DB, database name, / put your database name in here $name equals $_ post user, $q underscore user equals MySQL underscore query, select asterisk from users where login equals $name, if MySQL underscore number underscore rows, $q underscore user equals 1, $query equals MySQL underscore query, select asterisk from users where login equals $name, $data equals MySQL underscore fetch underscore array, $query. If $_post pwd == data password, session_register, name, header, location, yourpage.php, // page. Put the URL you want, exit, else header, location, login.php, login = failed and cause = error code, wrong password, exit, else header, location, login.php, login = failed and cause = error code, invalid user, exit, // if the session is not registered, if session _ is _ registered, name == false, header, location, login.php. If you paid enough attention, you noticed that the login will lead the user to yourpage.php. Add these lines of code to any web page that you want to secure, including yourpage.php. Require log.php. Printing the username in the screen is very easy. Just add this code. Print $_session name, that's it. You can now use PHP and MySQL to create a simple website login. It works out fine, but if you have any trouble with it, please contact me. Marcos Riso, web developer, marcos@chipweb.com.br. Required tools: computer code editor, internet browser.